In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for birthday wishes. We're going to walk through a simple way to turn your birthday greeting into a QR code that anyone can scan with their phone. This is perfect for party invitations, greeting cards, or even birthday decorations. And you don't need any special design skills to do it. First, open your web browser and search for a free QR code generator. There are many options available, and most of them work in a very similar way. Choose a trusted site that doesn't ask you to sign up or provide personal information just to create a basic QR code. Once you're on the QR code generator page, look for the option to create a QR code from text, a website link, or a message. Now decide what you want people to see when they scan your QR code. For a simple birthday wish, you might choose the plain text option. Then type your message directly into the box. This can be something like a heartfelt greeting, party details, or a short birthday note. If you already have an online birthday card, a video, or an invitation page, you can choose the URL or website option instead and paste the link there. Just make sure the link works by testing it in another tab before you turn it into a QR code. Once your message or link is in place, check for any spelling mistakes and confirm all the details are correct, especially dates, times, and addresses if it's for a party. When everything looks good, click the button to generate your QR code. The site will create a black and white square image filled with small patterns. That's your unique QR code. Most generators will give you an option to download the QR code as an image file, usually PNG or JPG. Choose a high-quality option if it's available, so the code stays clear when you print it. Save it somewhere easy to find on your computer or phone before you share or print it. It's a good idea to test your QR code. Open the camera app or a QR scanning app on your phone. Point it at the code and see if it takes you to the correct message or link. If it works, you're ready to use it on invitations, posters, or even as a fun element on a birthday cake topper or gift tag.